I'm Ken Kahn, a retired senior researcher at the University of Oxford. One of the major challenges in the education system, it focuses on imparting knowledge, but doesn't provide the opportunity for students to learn by doing a large self-directed project. CleverEd's Artificial Intelligence Internship program is a program that helps high school students gain this experience. I've been associated with CleverEd for 3 years. Students gain insights and skills that will be critical in a future where computation and AI will play an increasing role. In this program, students work with real AI projects and get personalized mentorship from researchers, including myself.